Hello. Now I show you how to use your specified keys in your game. At first we create a new scene. Create. Okay, folder, scenes, and now the new scene. Create scene, test scene, and open this scene. If you go to scene view, you can see nothing is there. And at first we create a new UI text. I move this text field to the top left corner and make it a little bigger. So, and now I can change the size of text field. For example, 13. It's a little too big. Make it so. Okay, and I change a color. So now I make the same for text mesh pro text and move it to the left top corner the same way, little bigger. Okay, the same you can use for your 3D text. How to use your localization flow to change the behavior of simple text fields. At first you have to initialize your localization flow package. For example, you create a new empty and I call it start up manager, for example, and open my localization flow script and put localization manager to this startup manager. So put it on this, and if you open startup manager, you see in inspector you load two languages, English and German. It's the same as in localization, English and German. Okay, this was successful, and now you can select your text field and put your localization component script to these fields. For example, here and again to this field. So if you go to this field, you see in inspector your script. And now you have to specify the key. You can see here you can select language, text or text placeholders. That are these text keys. Now we select text, and for the other field, text mesh pro, select the same. And if I click on play button, you can see your text from localization flow applies to these text fields.